Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, anything like that, put them down in the comments below. And as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're looking at the 30-minute 20-day chart. Okay, what we have on here is we have the monkey bars and the exponential moving average 200, and also volume profile. Here are, for the monkey bars, all the settings. Okay, as always, I will put the link down below inside the description, so you could download this directly onto your own charts, right? So you don't have to go through all this. You could do it just one click and upload the chart directly into your Thinkorswim. So again, these are just the settings for each chart. And let's kind of go over, this chart's really good. Over here on the far right is your volume profile, right? Where the most volume has traded, low volume nodes, high volume, right? Low volume nodes are where not that much volume has traded. Usually that's where you see kind of the breakaways, right? Kind of like right here, you see there really wasn't any trading here except for this and this, right? Just this breakout level right here, and then this, and you could see it create a low volume node. While the high volume nodes, you could see there's a ton of trading that went up and down, kept crossing, and that's what creates the high volume nodes. So this is a great way to look at it, is if you're falling from a tree. Okay, if you fall down, you'll bounce off the high volume nodes usually. If you're coming down to low volume, you'll do one of two things. You'll either hit it dead on and bounce, or miss it and fall through. Okay, quick little example. Trading doesn't need to be that hard. Same with market profile. Just try and just look at it from a bigger picture, right? Value area high, value area low, the point of control. Over here, what we have are the point of controls, right? And then value area high and low for each day. And then you can also see where the single prints are. If there are, like right here, you could see there's single prints right here. So if we actually were to come back down, I would look at around this level for a potential bounce, as that's where the single print started, right? Also, that could include something over here on the bigger picture of the last 20 days. I would use it, again, look for multiple confluence levels or multiple things that all line up. The yellow line is the 200 EMA. And then also, with this chart, just remember every day that moves forward, the very last day will drop off. So on Monday, I'm doing this on Saturday, so Monday this guy will be gone, right? So and then on Tuesday he'll be gone. So this will reshape the profile. So it's something you'll want to look at on a daily basis. Again, multiple different type of market profile chart to be able to see the market in a different light. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, want to see other video, put them down in the comments, and the link for this chart will be in the description. Till next time, thank you for watching.